A teacher gets satisfaction that his hard work, guidance, necessary help at the appropriate time has ultimately succeeded. Why is the most important element in the quality of a student? Satisfy yourselves by putting questions, asking why, what are the reasons, what are the rationalities. Accept it after being fully satisfied. And I would also advise and suggest to the teachers that respond this quality of the students to enhance, and it should always be encouraged. I can give you a just example. Many of you have read how an inspiring teacher could build up a brilliant man. It was, the story relates to sometimes in late 70s and early 80s. It happened in Patna Science College. This college is known for its study in mathematics. One young man, suddenly it happened in a classroom of first year. In those days, the old systems were there. A mathematics teacher, he was a renowned professor in mathematics. He was taking his class, but maybe because of his unmindfulness or something, while making an equation on the board, blackboard, he missed a step and the equation was not equivalent. And a young student, he was a bit impatient, getting up from his seat, sitting. Then the teacher's attention was drawn and he said, "What is happening to you? What is your discomfort?" The boy suddenly burst out and said, "Sir, the method in which you are doing the calculations, it will never come. The solution would not be there." Everybody was scared. Just first year boy. So teacher asked him and he said, "You solve." He did it quickly and said it can be done in 16 ways. Teacher was surprised, warmly welcomed him with a broad smile and told him that you take some refreshment. Then the teacher took him to the principal's room. And the boy was again mortally afraid. But when you went to the teacher's room, principal's room, principal very warmly welcomed him with a broad smile and told him that you take some refreshment and I have kept a blackboard for you. You do it 16 times, 16 ways. And seeing the blackboard, chalk pencil, duster, he was very confident and he did it. The end of the story is, with the efforts of the principal and that teacher, that young boy at a very early age could complete his degrees with the special permission of the university, and finally he ended with an assignment in California University. Even a student should have the courage, if the teachers make the mistake, to point out, "Sir, it is not correct." And teachers should always encourage it. That is our parampara. That is our tradition. In the court of King Janaka, Gargi argued with Yagnavalkya and argued so severely that these discourses gave birth to an important Upanishad, Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, results of the argument. And that's why Dr. Amartya Sen has very correctly pointed out that Indians are argumentative. And I simply modify a little bit. Indian can be argumentative, but Indians can never be intolerant. Be argumentative, don't be intolerant. Intolerance